Today I will show you how to simply tie a fishing hook. This hook is obviously for demonstration purposes. The knot will work for any hook, fishing or not. Pull line through the hook eye with impound slack to spare. Come back up leaving a loop at the end. Hold hook and line together and wrap line around 4 or 5 times. Stick line through the loop and tighten the knot. And here you go, a simple strong knot that never let me down. This knot works on anything worth some sort of shaft and eye.